Enough.
Okay, come on.
Anyways, these guys have bought fireworks from like a place just behind me here. I'm not gonna light it because they're retarded like that. Anyways, there we go. And Joe, how the fucking most retarded of them all is lighting it as he is holding it. Oh, not right now. Hang on. Here's Felix's.
Oh, that's
And now there's the most retard of all retards. Is this a video? Yes. You like drop it and it hits?
Car's coming. Wait for a car to come. Okay,
Too late. You're retarded! Darn, you fucking dumbass! Drop it! Oh, what was that?
That was a weed. I'm scared, man.
Fuck you, you asshole! Shoot it at me.
Shit, man. They shouldn't. One shot.
But there's supposed to be like 10 of them?
Yeah. I'm scared of my mind. There was like a...
Well, that's why you stick it in the ground. Good.
No more.
Alright.
Fucking join them down. Let's go buy more of this.